Welcome to the Telangana Rising Global Summit. Guys, I'm about to take you on a ride of a Guinness World Record drone show. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Maggie Smiles and Trends. Brace yourselves up because this is going to be insane. Look up, they are starting. Look, a perfect namaste to welcome the world. Now pay attention. This is the roadmap. $200 billion today morphing to 1 trillion by 2034 and the ultimate goal 3 trillion by 2047. It's a literal visualization of Telangana's unstoppable economic climb. From the vision to the sectors, we are seeing the future of sustainable agriculture merging with world-class manufacturing. The state is diversifying and it looks incredible. And here is the future city. This is the urban core, a massive global hub for tech and innovation, truly showcasing a modern, globally competitive skyline. This is so cool. They are highlighting the Musi River Front Development plan. It's a beautiful commitment to sustainability, rejuvenating the heart of Hyderabad. It's a development with a conscience. Wow, look at that speed. They're forming the vast network of the Hyderabad Metro. It's a pure kinetic energy, showing how fast the state is getting connected. Now, the key sectors are lighting up. Pharma, FMCG and Aerospace. Telangana is a powerhouse, contributing to India's leadership in critical future-forward industries. And here's the social core. Women, the foundation. It's a powerful commitment to equity and inclusive growth. Next, farmer, the backbone, honoring the roots of our economy. And finally, youth, the future, empowering the next generations of innovators and leaders. The record attempt is imminent. The massive sentence is starting to form. Look, they are spelling out the event itself. Telangana Rising Global Summit. Telangana surpassed the previous record by 869 drones in the final sentence formation. The show was carefully choreographed to sync with the Vision 2047 narrative. The drones are powered by sophisticated flight control software for precise millimeter-accurate choreography and bright visual effects. The show was powered by indigenously developed Made in India drone technology. This is it, guys. The grand finale. There are 3,000 synchronized drones in the air right now, attempting to set a Guinness World Record for the longest airborne sentence. You can feel the energy here. Look at the words formed. Telangana is rising. Come join the rise. Unbelievable. We just witnessed history. And what a perfect ending. With that spectacular burst of firecrackers in the Hyderabad night sky, we have come to the end of this incredible journey. I hope you enjoyed this unprecedented look at the Telangana Rising Global Summit and the Guinness World Record drone show. If you felt that excitement, if you felt that energy, please do me a huge favor, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite drone formation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.